the YoloBox Pro. Now I'm going to pick this baby up right here. This is the YoloBox Pro. It is a fantastic product. It is the big brother of the original YoloBox. What makes this cool is it's bigger. As you can see, 8-inch screen. They added some features that I really liked. It's got chroma keying. This now has 3 HDMI inputs plus a USB that can be used as an input, giving you 4 inputs. They added a lot of power and performance to it, and the YoloBox crew is really cool because they also added a lot of those features to the original YoloBox. But the YoloBox Pro, guys, is a top 10 product, no doubt. I know it'll only get better next year, and I can't wait to see what the folks at YoloLiv give us, because so far, YoloBox 1 in 20, YoloBox Pro 1 in 2021. I think I can almost guarantee these guys make the list next year, because this year, 2022, because they just do great stuff. So that is the YoloBox Pro. Congratulations. A 2021 Videoguys top 10 product of the year. Congratulations to the folks over at YoloBox.